guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you another Meesho haul as I promised. So this is a Meesho jewelry haul, and in the previous haul video I showed you more of ethnic pieces, but this is just the opposite of it. I'm gonna show you some of the trendy pieces that you find on Instagram. So yeah, without much blabbering, let's just get started with today's video. And before we start, don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and yeah, let's get started. So I do have a bunch of earrings to show you, but before we get into the earrings and stuff, let me first start with the things that I'm wearing, because these are included in today's haul. So you have already seen the Leo chain in my previous video. If you haven't checked the video, you can go and check that out. Everything that I'm going to talk about in today's video will be linked in the description box. And yeah, the Leo chain you have seen in the previous video, but this one which has baby girl written on it, you haven't really seen this one. And it has like a very pretty butterfly on the top, and here it's written baby girl. I just love this chain so much. I am just gonna wear it on my birthday, and that's the sole reason why I bought it. So these actually came from this store called Jewels Galaxy. I have bought it. Came as in, this came in this proper box. Others that I got, they were in sachets and everything, but this was completely packed and sold. So really love this brand actually, because I have got many jewelry from this particular brand. This is the next thing that I got from the Jewels Galaxy. This is a bracelet. I'll tell the prices, but this is a bracelet, and I never buy bracelets because they do not really fit me, as you can see. But this is quite adjustable. This has a ring over here, so very adjustable. You just need somebody's help to, you know, wear this. I like this bracelet a lot. अब prices के बारे में बात करते हैं. This one, the butterfly necklace, is for 200, and this one that I'm wearing right now, इसका प्राइस भी 220-240 के अराउंड है. I think these are the most expensive things in the entire haul. And everything that I'm going to show you is below 200 except for these two. The baby girl thing is so trendy, you know, I know. And ये भी जो है, this is also available on Amazon, and do not worry, Amazon में भी same ही price है, कुछ difference नहीं है ज़्यादा. And I will link it down below. Amazon का link देने में ना बहुत ज़्यादा easy होता है, but Meesho codes, oh my god, I have to search for the code and put it in the description. That is so hard, but it's okay. I'm gonna give you both. आपको जहाँ से भी लेना है आप ले लेना. And pretty much obsessed with the baby girl necklace actually. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. This is the third necklace that I got. I actually love this so much, but can't wear so many necklaces. So this has like seashells over here, and यहाँ पे कुछ antique gold coins. So the design is actually very nice. I love this necklace. I've worn this a couple of times, I'm pretty sure, and इसका quality बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. This everything that I'm going to show you in today's haul, quality is top notch, perfect. And I got this for 160, I guess. So for 160, this is just amazing. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा adjustable है. You can wear it as a choker or just like this as a long necklace. यहाँ से ना थोड़ा बस रंग उठ गया है, otherwise यहाँ पे जो main part है वो एकदम ठीक है. Just the string जहाँ पे आपको attach करना होता है, वहाँ से थोड़ा रंग उठ गया है. That much I can see. Before we get started with the earrings, कुछ bracelets भी है. These are actually so pretty, but as I said, bracelets do not fit me, and therefore these are very adjustable, guys, don't worry. But मेरा wrist ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही छोटा है, so if you are a very skinny girl like me, it is fine. Bracelets do not fit us, but ठीक है, I just got this, and I think my mom's gonna wear this because I simply cannot. But the pieces are just so pretty. I think one for 79, three I think you have to pay like 200, which is like a big discount. So So yeah, all three for 200. I really love the shades and the colors. This is like a mint green and a cute pastel pink, and the other one is a complete golden thing. So yeah, that is it. I have something very similar, but it is not from Meesho, but I'm still gonna show it to you guys, cause why not? I hope this is just gonna be helpful. ये जो तीन है ना, these are more like traditional things, and these three were for 300 I guess, and it's very traditional. I wore this in a video a few days back. So I got these very recently from Amazon. Yeah, from Amazon. So I'm gonna link these as well because these look just so pretty. And sorry for having such a small wrist, but yeah, I love these a lot. So this is the next bracelet that I got. It has such a pretty detailing going all over it. This was for 130 only, and I think this is just gonna be such a perfect gift for your mothers or aunties, anyone actually. This is also adjustable, but let's not talk about bracelets and stuff anymore. This is the last bracelet from today's haul, and if you are as skinny as me, only this will fit you perfectly. Others are just not in our league. So yeah, this is just another bracelet, very dainty, very cute, and I think I am very attracted towards golden jewelry more than silver. Now these three are my favorite clips, like permanently favorite clips actually. This pearl clip, I've been searching for this everywhere possible, and finally found this one. And these are just some purple and blue clips. So I think golden clips are so much in trend, and loving these actually, but I think this actually causes a lot of hair fall, and that is the reason why I just avoid wearing it. But it looks so pretty. If you want to wear this at the cost of your hair, then just why not. The entire set price is 200, which is definitely very pricey, but I think pearl clips are so much in trend that I just wanted to get this for you guys. So yeah, finally got it. Also, you know, when I was placing the order, I just saw these clips, and I am completely broke, guys. I've made so many hauls, so I hope you understand. I am broke. I don't have enough money to spend anymore, plus I am kind of storing some money and saving up for my birthday. So if you want to get these clips, link and the code, actually not the link, the codes will be in the description. I'll put a name beside it. So yeah, finally let's come to earrings. These are my favorite current hoops. These two are for 99. Online you cannot get these hoops for 99. So I think it's very pretty, but as I said in the last haul, I think street shopping is a better way to go if you want to buy jewelry. So saying it all again, but I think for 99 these are so perfect. These are like very big hoops. I hope you can see the size of it. It's very big, and just love these. Finally, let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now. I'm in love with golden small jewelry, and this is like my favorite, especially when I'm wearing like a crop top or something that doesn't really suit the big jewelry things, like which is not traditional. This is for I think 79. This is very affordable and still one of my favorites. Okay, so you guys, you know, I got another hoop, but I think you can see the difference between these two. This is more of a good quality, like it's a great quality silver jewelry, and I think that it is not gonna be damaged anytime soon because the width is so huge, and it is kind of heavy, like it's a bit heavy. So if you can't wear heavy jewelry, this is definitely not for you. But these are so big and still so lightweight. This for 99, this is for 149, and I think for 149 I might have skipped getting another hoop because I already got one. But Finally, the only traditional thing in today's haul, because I missed it in the previous video, is this very pretty gold, silver oxidized jewelry which has like mirror work done on it, and it has like these pretty gem studs. It is so nice, looks so good, so beautiful actually. I could have paired it up today as well, but because I was wearing all these golden things, I went with this. Otherwise I was just going to wear this one. This is the only mirror work done oxidized silver jewelry that I got. And next one, so the next one is this, which looks so similar but it is of so bad quality. This is for 39. I got two things for 39 in today's haul, and this is for 39, and I got something very similar from the same seller. First let's talk about this one. This has no shine. These are not at all sparkly, they are like very old. I swear the order was literally delivered 2 days back, and it looks like I got this 1000 years back. Of course it's for 39, so I'm not definitely allowed to complain, but guys, if you're showing a picture of something very beautiful, then deliver the beautiful thing now. Why deliver this? And yeah, that being done, this is another thing that is for 39. I think this is so definitely a steal, because for 39 you will never find these jewelry at all. These were from the same seller, and I had high hopes from that and didn't come out good. And this is so beautiful. This is like a square and rectangle thing happening. I do not have any jewelry like this. The next earring that I got, I am very scared to wear this in the first place, because imagine me wearing this and agar मैं अपने बाल ठीक करने गई and I do this with the earring, I'm very scared to wear these kind of big hoops, big earrings. I love everything except for hoops, because बचपन में ना एक hoop incident हुआ है मेरे साथ. So yeah, that is the only sole reason of me not liking these kind of jewelry and not wearing it. But for videos I'm definitely gonna wear it. So the price is for 149. So ये दोनों same seller से है. These two same seller, and 149, 149. The quality is actually very good, and it's very thick, very heavy as well. So if you're not a fan of heavy jewelry, you cannot wear this at all. This is very heavy. मतलब दिखने में तो इतना पतला सा है, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा ही heavy है. So yeah. Now these two are not hoops, they are kind of semi hoop, and ये पूरा complete नहीं है, यहाँ पे एक gap है. So I really love these. As I said, the golden thing and these are so trendy right now. I could have paired this, but golden, so yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा favorite है मेरा. And this is also for 99 if I am not wrong. I definitely remember the prices because I was checking Meesho, so this is definitely for 99. The quality is again very good, and I don't think the shine will go that easily. The third last two earrings, it is out of stock. I hate when my favorite things are out of stock, but जब stock पे आ जाएगा I will put the code, क्योंकि जब तक वो stock पे नहीं आता I cannot even find the code actually. So yeah, Meesho is kind of a mess. मतलब just give us the links ना, just give us the links, क्यों code ये वो whatever. So this is how pretty these two earrings are. These are actually very light. You will not be able to know that you're wearing something at all. So that's how light these are. The second last thing, this is one of my most favorites. This is also kind of a ethnic thing, but oh my god, I love this one so much. ये ज़्यादा heavy तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, but I will not recommend getting this one क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा black हो गया है. If you look up close उतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, shine भी नहीं है, चला गया है कहीं पे, but I don't know, I have not worn this for even once, and फिर भी क्वालिटी इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब दे दिया, बट आई थिंक द डिज़ाइन इज़ लाइक माई फेवरेट एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट ऑल द बैड साइड्स ऑफ दिस वन. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द लास्ट ज्वेलरी हॉल दैट आई एम मेकिंग फॉर यू ऑल. So yeah, ये हो गया. And the last thing is the thing that you all have been asking me कि ये कहाँ से है, कहाँ से है, कहाँ से है. So this is a very pretty golden and white sort of thing. I think this is not even a part of today's haul, but फिर भी मैंने include ये कर दिया because I have got so many questions regarding it and मैंने story पे बोला भी था लेकिन story कौन ही देखता है. So these are from Urbanic and these are out of stock right now, so I don't know कब वापस आएगा. आ जाए तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे दूंगी. ओके, दीज वर द चीपेस्ट क्योंकि कुछ फ्लैश सेल या ऐसा कुछ चल रहा था वहाँ पे. दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द एंड ऑफ टुडेज Meesho haul. If you want a Meesho clothing haul, do let me know because the one that I'm wearing right now is also from Meesho and it is below 200. So if you want a Meesho clothing haul, ask me for it. I will make it. So that is it about today's video, you guys. I hope you liked today's video and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, please share the video and comment down below which one was your favorite. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.